Aloha, this is the Penthouse 3607 at the Grand Waikikian. I'm just doing a little tour to show you the room. This is the kitchen when you first come in. Everything you need. Very nice room. This is amazing. It's got its own little seating area here, full dining table. And this living room seats a lot of people too. Very nice for TV. This is, I believe, the master suite. And it's got its own little balcony out there. I'll show you the views in a second. Nice TV. And it's got its own jetted tub. Walk-in kind of closet. And nice bathroom. Where are lights? Yay. So this is a nice big bathroom with walk-in shower. So this entire suite back here is all connected. And then on the other side is the second bedroom, which also has a huge tub. Looks like a two-person tub. And closet, shower on the one side, and can't seem to find the lights. Here we go. Shower is huge. And then a bidet in the bathroom. And this room actually has a little bit of a desk area and another balcony outside. That balcony, I believe, is connected with the main balcony. And overlooking the ocean, that's the Rainbow Tower right there. Beautiful views. So this is the penthouse suite, much larger than the regular rooms at the Grand Waikiki Inn. Aloha!